Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for you. This morning I wanted to take a look at deleting data from a database using VA Smalltalk. We've gone through insertion, querying, updating. Of course, it only makes sense to go through deletion. So let's first make sure we understand what's in our database. Let's go here to our query against everything in our table. So we'll do an inspect on the results. And we see we have this one row in there. And the zip code is the one I'm going to key on, so that's 12345. So let's take that row, and what we want to do is delete it. So let me move this up a bit so you can see it. What I'm going to do is grab the table, and then I'm going to create a query spec. And by now you've gotten used to the idea of creating query specs. And we'll have our statement, select star from people where the zip code is 12345. I'll grab the row by saying grab the result table from query spec first. So taking the result that came back, grab the first thing that came back, that's the first row that matched this query. And we're going to go ahead and delete it. Now, of course, you can be more specific about this. You could look through it either in Smalltalk or structure your query on a SQL side to be more specific. But either way, grab your row and then just tell the row to delete. So let's go ahead and execute that. And you're not, again, going to see a whole lot on this. We'll execute. Now what we're going to do is we're going to commit the unit of work. We'll execute that since we made a change. Now at this point, to verify that something actually happened, let's go up here and do the query again. And we'll take a look at the results. And of course it's now empty. And the reason it's empty is we grabbed the one existing piece of data that was there and blew it away. And that's really all you need to know about doing this, is that to work with databases at this level in VA Smalltalk, you're going to be working an awful lot with query spec objects. So you want to browse class ABT query spec and get to know the APIs there, get to know how to work with table objects and with row objects, understand the APIs behind that, things like the delete and setting up the query statements, and then just working with that. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.